Headwraps Reviews, it's your girl Cherie here with another video, and today we are embarking on what may be my most expensive, ridiculously expensive wash and go yet. I did share with you guys a couple videos ago my Ulta Beauty haul, which included the curl defining styling souffle from CurlSmith, and I did not have a conditioner leave-in to go with it. And so I just broke down and said, you know what? I got some Ulta points. Let me go ahead, cash them in, see if I can get this on discount, which is what I did. And now I have a leave-in conditioner to go with this styling souffle so I can do a proper wash and go from this collection. About to get started, I'm going to go on with the curling souffle. Going to go in with the curl conditioning oil and cream. It says it's for extra thirsty, curly, or kinky hair for moisture, nourish, and shine. First 5 ingredients: water, glycerin, shea butter, cetyl alcohol, glycerol stearate. Perfume is pretty high up on the list here, just to let you know. But it does say that it is 0 spoons of sulfates, parabens, silicones, mineral oils, phthalates, and DEA, and it's vegan and cruelty-free, just like the styling souffle, so that is all good to know. How to enjoy this leave-in conditioner, like I always say, you always want to read their directions. Don't assume anything. When you're trying a new product, I don't care what you're doing to your hair. Read the directions. They're there for a reason. Divide dry or damp hair into sections and smooth through. Do not rinse out. Style as desired. Excellent for TWAs, wash and go, lock method, braids, and twist outs. Great primer for other products. Doesn't flake, non-greasy, and non-crunchy. So, sounds like it should be a good, pleasant styling experience. I'm going to go in, put in the leave-in curl conditioning oil and cream first. Comb that through, and then I'm going to go in and rake through the styling souffle, and we're going to see what I get. It's got the nice little safety top there. Y'all, don't look at my nails. My nails look like foo-foo. It's time for me to redo them. Video coming soon. It smells delightful. It's very light, flowery, maybe not a fruit, maybe like a berry smell. And it's thick enough. It's thick enough to get the job done. So my hair is already washed, deep conditioned. I also washed my hair with the Lush Organics avocado co-wash bar, shampoo bar. I used this in a video way back on my channel, probably last year sometime. And that bar was like 3 ounces for $20, and it's not even sulfate free. So definitely another expensive product, which is why I call this my most expensive wash and go yet. So hopefully we get some nice expensive looking results with all of these expensive products. Luckily I was able to get that curling souffle on sale for half off, so we did not pay full price for all of these items, which is always a win. I'm going to be back when the leave-in is all applied, and we're going to get started with the curling souffle. Okay, so the CurlSmith curl defining styling souffle says it needs to be applied on soaking wet hair. Take a dime-sized amount per hair section, rub it between your palms, smooth down the length of the hair using the praying hands method. Scrunch gently upwards, then air dry or diffuse. When fully dry, scrunch again to break the cast. So after I let the leave-in conditioner sit in my hair, I just kind of dabble some water over the section so I can try to follow the directions here. Yeah, the styling souffle smells even better. And I am just going to try to do this in smallish sections and see what we end up with. This is very thick, so I guess it's easy to do a dime size. Oh, I'm making a mess. I swear, this is another one of those stylers you probably want to do in the shower. It's already sloshing everywhere. Or at least have like a towel or something under you on the floor. Okay, I have a feeling this is going to be a very fluffy wash and go. Okay, so I'm gonna do something here just because it's really frizzy like this. I'm gonna twist this section up, and when I'm done, I will untwist them and let them air dry that way. But for now, I think I just need to twist the section just to secure it with the gel or the styling souffle in it, because it's just extremely frizzy. And I think this will give me slightly better results if I do it like this. Okay, so my hair is all twisted up. Kind of turned into a twist and go instead of a wash and go, but it's just so I can kind of contain the amount of frizz that I was seeing. It was a lot, and my hair wasn't responding the way I'm used to seeing it respond when I usually do a wash and go. So I'm gonna keep these twisting for maybe like 30 minutes, not too long. Then I'm going to release it and let it air dry. Like I normally would with the wash and go. Hopefully that helps and it doesn't like look funky. I don't know. You guys gonna see, just like me, what happens. I'll be back in 30 minutes. Okay, it's still very frizzy all over, but this is gonna have to do. Do a 360 for you guys, and what back is looking like. Some definition, there's some clumpage, but it's just really, I got this frizzy halo and I'm like not used to that. But here it is. I'll probably pineapple it later, maybe it'll take some of that away. Anyway, I will be back on camera when this is fully dry, and I'll let you guys know my final thoughts about this most expensive wash and go ever. Hey you guys, I'm back. Hopefully we got dry hair. It's very, I do feel a crunch on my ends, so we're gonna take this down and see if it's dry. I'm just gonna take some of my, it's almost gone y'all, some of my red rose with the hair oil to kind of help massage, scrunch, whatever you want to call it. It's still quite a bit of frizz. I definitely have curl definition. It's just way frizzier than I expected it to be, given the fact that I put a pretty creamy, thick leave-in in, and I applied it to wet, soaking wet hair in most areas. Definitely very voluminous first day hair though, which is cool. Isn't my best wash and go yet for $70 worth of products. I don't think so. I'm gonna be quite honest. I feel like I had to do too much manipulation while I was trying to put in the curling souffle to get it to behave like I'm used to. The texture was weird, and I don't remember seeing people use this and the texture being the same, but maybe I just wasn't paying attention. It's really, really clumpy, like just like sea moss. I mean, like it's jiggly, but it's not like you can't just like pull it out and it's runny. You have to like rub it between your hands, and that was a little bit of a different thing that I'm used to, because I'm used to being able to just kind of rake it through section by section. And I actually did start to rake it through more on this side once I got used to how it felt, and it seemed like it gave me more definition and less frizz on this side than this side. I don't know what was going on over here. I guess I just had to get used to the texture, but it was a little off-putting at first because I was like, okay, why is this, I feel like it's extra difficult to work with. Now I love the fact that the ingredients are all natural, organic, vegan, cruelty-free. I love all of that. There's no sulfates, no silicones, stevia, parabens. That's wonderful. I mean, I guess this worked the price tag. I don't know. Are there other products that I've used that have given me these results or better on a wash and go? Absolutely. And so this definitely is not a price point that I would continue to shop at for these products when I can get these results and better and less frizz for less money. And I know it isn't like a gel, it's a styling souffle, so it's really not supposed to have a super strong color, but it was just like, oh, am I gonna look like my hair is done when I finish, or is it gonna be a hot mess? And so that is what I'm struggling with. But there is a nice cast on this, so the curls should last. I'm just worried about how bad this frizz is gonna get on the top. Yeah, I can get these curls with this volume and less frizz when I use my Theravada Organics Curl Slayer. Just gonna put it out there. And it is not as expensive as the styling souffle, and you get a huge container of it. So just to keep it 100, yeah, it's not something I would regularly buy again. Maybe there's a learning curve with it, but I was just expecting a lot more, less frizz when I use this, and it's a lot going on. But that's okay. Overall, it's a decent product. Smells wonderful. The texture of the souffle was weird. I like the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner can stay. I can continue to use it. See if it pairs well with other styling products. Is that, as it says it should. The curling souffle, I'm gonna have to get used to. Maybe it would go better if I did a twist out or a braid out with it, which is what I started to do initially. So that might be something I experiment with in the future. But overall, to do a wash and go, it's not gonna be something I reach for regularly. That is that on that. You guys let me know if you tried the CurlSmith curling souffle or any of the other products from this brand. Would you spend the dinero for these products? Let me know down in the comments your thoughts. You know my thoughts now. I won't be spending that much again for wash and go stylers to get like this. No, definitely not. Thank you as always for returning back to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you had different results with your curling souffle, and let me know if it's something that you will continue to buy, if it's going to be a staple for you, because maybe you have a different experience. We all have different hair types, but for me, this isn't getting it. So until the next time I see you guys, as always, don't forget to live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine. Bye.